I still have 1,000 meters of this. And because I want to get rid of it and we want to make some Christmas stuff, let's make some Christmas stockings. To be honest, we've never had any Christmas stockings in this house. I don't know why, so let's make some. I'm going to make them really classic, really normal and discreet with the burlap material and some stripy white and beige one I have, red, and a bit of, what's the name of that? Lace, a bit of lace for our initials. To make this stocking, I'm going to trace it on paper and then cut twice for every stocking. Sew the details on the front and sew it right sides together to the back, and do the same with the lining, which I will add to the inside of the stocking. Let's trace the stocking quite fast. I need some paper. And I'm going to make it a bit longer so I can fold it out and the lining, which is going to be the stripy or red material, can be seen on the outside. This is looking good. It's going to turn out great with the details, and I'm seeing that the fabrics I want for lining are not going to be enough. So I'm going to make my husband's and I's in the stripy material, the lining, and the details in red, and our son's is going to be the other way around. It's going to be the lining in red that you can see outside, and then the details in the stripy material. The first thing I'm doing is the initials. I'm going to sew them with the lace really slowly so they turn out nice, and as well as the details. The details are only going to be on the front, because if I wanted it to put them like on top all around the stocking, I think it's going to be quite difficult, and the machine, you won't be able to maneuver with the machine. So it's going to be only on the front. Hey, it's taking shape, it's looking good. And now that I have it like this, I'm going to sew it right sides together with the back so I can turn it right sides out, and I'm going to do the same with the lining. They are looking good. The only thing is like putting the burlap one inside out. right size out. It's a piece of work. So hard. But it's looking good. There it is. And once everything is right size out, I can put it one inside the other so I can sew them together.
Mommy has a sock. Well, a stocking, not a sock.
And this one. Wait. Ah, no, of course. The lining, of course, has to stay like this. So when we put it inside the stocking, it looks okay when folding down. So there's the lining in. So now folding in, I'm going to sew it to the lining together. So then it looks nice once it's folded down. Ow! To sew the ribbon so I can hang it. And I'm realizing I should have done that. I could have done it in the beginning when I sewed the two outsides together. Leave it there in the middle. I never thought of that. How silly. And this is the final result. I think they look quite cute. The only problem I had was that I forgot the ribbon to hang them from. It was quite silly. So if you do them, make sure that you put it inside between the lining or between the burlap material. And the rest is okay. It's true that that fabric is really rough, it's really stiff. So maybe they could have done with being a bit wider, but they're okay. You're not going to put that much in there, are you? So, and another thing is that of course you can make them different materials. You can make them patchwork, colorful, felt with different motifs on top, and they will always turn out great, and they'll be really special because you make them yourselves. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, and if you're new around here and you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot, and that way you don't miss anything. Because I upload a video once a week, although this month we're doing 2 a week. I'll be here twice a week with you. So what else? I leave you a link here with Christmas stuff you can make yourself, so you can look around and see if you would like to have a go at it. Bye! Hola, hola, hola. Ow! This is looking good.